Alma On The Case. I love all of the Carlotta Clues books. Pick one to read. The Case of the Missing Cupcakes. Dazzling Dog came to get cupcakes, but they are gone. Where did the cupcakes go? I'm on the case. Busy Bird asked her friends to get the cupcakes. But when Dazzling Dog got there, the cupcakes were gone. That's a clue. Let's put it in our clue notebook. We need to look around here for clues. Great find! Tap on the clue to add it to our notebook. A smushed cupcake. Very interesting. A flower. That looks out of place. It must be a clue. Let's look for more clues. Kind kangaroo cleaning up frosting on her foot. That looks out of place. It must be a clue. I think we have enough clues to solve this case. We've got to think about this. Let's try to figure out what happened. How did the cupcakes disappear from the kitchen? A friend picked up the cupcakes. Yeah, one of Busy Bird's friends picked up the cupcakes. But which friend picked up the cupcakes? Busy Bird picked up the cupcakes. Kind kangaroo picked... It was Kind kangaroo! But how did that one cupcake get smushed? Kind kangaroo dropped that cupcake on her foot. Yeah, she dropped a cupcake on her foot. That's why she was cleaning her foot. I think we figured it out. Let's see what Carlotta says. Here's what happened. One of Busy Bird's friends got the cupcakes. It was Kind kangaroo. She dropped a cupcake on her foot and brought the rest to the park. Busy Bird is thankful to have such helpful friends. Now everyone can enjoy the tasty treats together. It's another case closed. We solved the case. Wepa! Want to read the story again or try a new one?